Hello all you cool cats out there. Today we're going to take a look at another Kitten Space Agency mod, and this one is called DeltaV Map and is made by forum user Maxi. This mod gives you exactly what the name suggests and then some, so let's take a look. When you open the DeltaV Map from the HUD drop-down, this is what you're greeted with. The main map up front and center and a handful of tools along the side. First we'll take a look at the map itself. You're initially greeted with this subway map style, the mod calls it cumulative down, with low Earth orbit as the route. You can zoom in and explore how much DeltaV you need to get just about anywhere. Not leaving from Earth? No problem. You can reroute the map to any body and see what it would take to fly from Mars to Neptune, Pan to Phobos, or any A to B trip you can think of. You can also hide minor bodies if you just want to focus on the major planets and moons. If all of that sounds cool, but you just don't like the look of the map, then you're in luck, because there are two other styles. Gravity well style lays everything out along one big spine, still organized from the root to distance from the sun. Spring style is pretty strange looking at first, but the same logic applies. Drop in towards the sun and spring back out towards your destination. Once you've picked a destination, you can check the breakdown and change your route options to dial it in further. Surface takeoff, landing, aero braking, plane changing, even a return trip. You can also apply a margin of error to account for your pilot skill or lack thereof. Now down in the bottom left corner, you'll find the transfer window panel, which shows a list of upcoming transfers and a live phase clock. Each window lists the current and optimal phase angles, countdowns to upcoming windows, ejection angles, and more. All of these angles can even be overlaid in the map view, which is super cool. The cherry on top of this mod is that none of this data is hard-coded. It is all calculated using the celestial information of the loaded system, which means it can be used for any system. Here now you can see I've loaded the dense solar system option. I appreciate that the mod knows to automatically hide the incredible number of extra choices by default, and you can add any to the map just by selecting its name from the search bar. I have noticed that not all of the bodies have mass defined, so you don't get quite as much detail, but I think the point is just to show off that this kind of option is possible. All in all, this is one of the coolest KSA mods out there right now in my opinion, and it comes with a strong recommendation that you go check it out. DeltaV Map is currently on version 1.2.2 and runs on KSA build 5261, which is the latest at the time of recording. If you have any ideas on what might make this mod even cooler, drop a comment on the forum thread and send Maxi some love for such a gourmet mod. Seriously, this one's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Thank you all very much for watching and learning. I will see you again next time.